In this video, I'm taking you through my full nail prep routine from start to finish. Firstly, I'm using the slanted end of my combo prep tool to gently push back the cuticle and lift the peripheral nail fold. I'm carefully working my way around the cuticle area, making sure the tool can glide smoothly with nothing blocking its path. Then I turn the tool over to the loop end and use this to remove any dead skin and cuticle from underneath the peripheral nail fold. I'm gently pulling that away from the cuticle area, which helps reduce the amount of work we need to do with the Efile later on. I'm dusting away any debris as I go, just to keep everything clean and visible. The Efile bit I choose next will depend on whether I'm doing a Russian manicure or a combo prep. The flat barrel bit will generally be used for a combo prep and the flame bit for a Russian style manicure. There's no need to use both. So here I'm going with the flat barrel cuticle Efile bit in medium. This is used to remove any dead skin or dry cuticle from the nail plate and around the cuticle area. With this bit, we're not going underneath the peripheral nail fold. We're focusing purely on the nail plate. Because it's a flat bit, I can work from the right hand side all the way round to the left in one direction, gently refining that area. I'm also using the flat surface to remove any dry skin on the surrounding skin and constantly dusting as I go. I use the flat part of it as well to gently nudge back the cuticle as I'm working. This tends to be my go-to piece for normal combo prep manicures, and it's particularly great for toes too. It comes in medium and fine, so can be used for different types of nails. Now moving on to the flame bit, also available in fine and medium. Here I'm using a medium, perfect for this client as her nails are strong and in great condition and her cuticles aren't too soft. I'm using the tip of the bit at a 45-degree angle, making sure not to point it too directly into the cuticle or lay it too flat on the nail plate. From the midpoint of the nail, I work along the cuticle area to the left-hand side in a forward direction. I'm not applying pressure here. Instead, I'm using the bit to lightly lift the peripheral nail fold and refine the area. Constantly dusting is key so I can see what I'm doing and avoid overworking the nail. Remember, if you are left-handed, you'll always be working in the opposite way to what I'm working in this video. Always be mindful not to overwork any particular area. I then reverse the Efile to work up the right hand side, again using the tip for precision and the belly of the bit to gently remove any dry skin on the surrounding area. Constantly dusting so that I can see where I'm going. We're using the tip of the bit to lift that peripheral nail fold to create a pocket so that we can tuck our colour nicely underneath. At the end, I switch back to forward and do a few light strokes around the entire cuticle area just to ensure everything is clean, even and fully prepped. Finally, I go in with my mandrel and sanding band, usually a 180 or a 240 grit. I only use 1 band per client, so that's more than enough. All I'm doing here is removing the shine from the nail plate, creating the perfect surface for product application. There's no pressure, no overfiling, just a light, even prep across the entire nail. And that's my full prep routine, ready for your gel or builder gel application.